Okay, you can see those neon bulbs. That one, number 3, is flashing down there. See it? Okay. The LEDs are acting up. I don't know if they're not happy in this circuit. I don't know what's going on with those, but the neon bulbs are definitely all 3 lit. Okay, I think you could see them all, but yeah, they're all 3 lit, which means there's high voltage kicking back from these coils, alright, that it's hooked to. So that's what's going on there. It is functioning. Now I just need to tweak it a little bit here and there, get it more stable, and see if I can go from there. These might not be happy that they're supposed to be 12 volts. I think I'm probably pushing them a little high. Yeah, running around 28 volts. So maybe I want to change those out and see if I could fix that problem. They were just on there as indicators anyway, you know, but I hate burning them out. Yeah, I think that's what's going on, because every now and again I get a flash on them. I don't think they like being run that hot. Alright, but she's running cool too. Running about a ½ amp through the circuit. I kicked it up to 28 volts input to the circuit, so yeah, it's cranking away about ½ amp. There you go. Cool beans. Okay, new information. I don't think that circuit liked having LEDs in there. The LEDs didn't like it either. Anyway, you can see those 3 neon bulbs lit up nicely right there. Look pretty good, nice and steady. I think that was throwing my circuit out a little bit. Okay, you see what I have? I have cut nails, cement, concrete cut nails. Okay, I decided to go ahead and put that through the coil. So now what I have is a trigger coil. These small ones are trigger coils. Then the drive coils down below. Okay, so I have this essentially going down into the coil and coupling so that I get a good trigger. So when one fires, it triggers the next coil, which then makes the next one fire, which then triggers the next coil, which then makes another one fire. And it's going around in a circle. And it is generating. I mean, it's humming. I'm going to check the frequency here in a minute. See if I can figure out what it is. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. You'll hopefully see it. Oh, got to put power on it. There we go. Immediately goes up. It's definitely picking up some RF, and it's across the spectrum by the looks of it. More like white noise. Yeah, she's picking it up. Well, you get the idea. Anyway, move it away. Goes down. You get the idea.